The strong growth we saw in the first half of 2023 has continued in the third quarter. We've seen some very positive trends in the CRO, the service arm of the business, where revenue grew organically by 44% compared to the same period last year. On this background, and with the knowledge of the rest of 2023, what it looks like, we've adjusted our outlook for the full year upwards, so that it's now 25 to 28% revenue growth, and that is up from the previously announced 16 to 21%. I'm particularly pleased to see our CRO business growing across many disease categories, and it underscores the value of having a very broad disease model catalog. The strong growth has been particularly evident for research services related to diseases of the liver, the kidney, and also within obesity. I'm also very pleased to see particularly strong growth in the US market, which fits nicely with the fact that we've just opened our first US-based office in Boston this October. The discovery and partnership arm of the business, the other arm of the business, there we also see some very good progress. The outlook for 2023 here remains unchanged. Late in August, we presented a new partnership collaboration with Hemab, and together with Hemab, we will work on identifying peptide modulators suitable as treatment for certain bleeding disorders. These are diseases that are outside of Gubra's normal metabolic disease focus, so it's a testimony that our drug discovery platform, the Streamline platform, can be used to develop peptide drug candidates to a very broad range of diseases. During the third quarter, the cardiorenal peptide collaboration agreement with Bayer came to an end. With this project now back in our own pipeline, we will change the focus, so we'll develop it within healthy weight loss. We see great potential within this disease category, and it's also a key focus area of Gubra's internal research programs. Last but not least, we are progressing the development of our anti-obesity amylin acid at high speed. In the beginning of November, we received approval from the British health authorities on the CTA, the clinical trial application, and we expect to start the first phase 1 study late this year. All in all, Q3 has been a very good quarter for Gubra, and we are very enthusiastic and optimistic with the outlook for the remainder of 2023.